Hi Samantha, I thought a video might help explain this a little bit easier. So it says find f of x and g of x such that h of x equals f of x composed of g of x. And the h of x we have is 5 plus 4x to the 6th power. So this is called decomposition. So we've learned how to compose in this lab, and now we want to decompose. So we want to find, we're going to list two functions. That's what we're doing. So we're going to list two things so that if you put them together, if you did f composed with g like you've learned in this lab, what you would get would be 5 plus 4x raised to the 6th. Now, f composed with g means that you put g inside of f. So g is going to be kind of the stuff on the inside of something. Oops, sorry about that. So our g of x is always going to be something that looks like it's plugged into something. So this right here, 5 plus 4x, is going to be our g of x. Oops, sorry about that. So to get our f of x, we plug g of x when we're composing. We can plug g of x in for x. So we're going to replace g of x with x to get our f of x. So this would be, we'd replace this just with x, and we'd have x to the 6th. Okay, so this is our answer for what it's asking for, to write those two functions. And how we'd kind of check this is kind of thinking the other way. If we did f composed with g, just with these two functions, we'd say, okay, we're going to plug our g, 5 plus 4x, into x to the 6th. So it would be 5 plus 4x raised to the 6th power, and that's what we started with. Okay, so your g of x is always going to be a function that's being plugged in, and then your f of x, you're going to look at the original thing you had, and whatever you made g of x, you're just going to replace that whole thing with x.